Hello grade 6 students. Our lesson for today will be body control, functions of the nervous system. Before watching the video, please prepare your science book, your science booklet, a pencil, and scratch papers to take notes. Before you start, please read and follow these instructions. At the end of this video, students will be able to explain the functions of the nervous system. Till now, we talked a lot about body control, but how does the nervous system do this? What functions are done by this system in order to control our body? We all know that we have 5 senses, and a sense organ is responsible for each sense. The sense organ eye is responsible for sight or vision. The nose is responsible for smelling. The ear is responsible for hearing. The tongue is responsible for tasting. And the skin is responsible for touching. All these sense organs collect the changes or input in the surrounding of our body. Let us watch this video and then we'll discuss the functions of the nervous system. The sense organs, which collect information from the surrounding, are connected to the central nervous system, which consists of brain and the spinal cord through the nerves. If something happens that requires taking action, for example, if you are playing football, then the central nervous system receives nervous messages from the sense organs. It analyzes it, then it generates a response which is carried to the muscle of the leg through nerves. As a result, you will kick the ball. The sense organ, which is the eye in this case, transforms the image it gets, which refers to the changes, into nervous messages, which are then carried by nerves called sensory nerves to the central nervous system. For example, when you see the ball, the image of the ball collected on the retina of the eye is transformed into a nervous message carried to the brain. The central nervous system, which receives this message, analyzes the information in this message. In our example, the brain analyzes the nervous message it receives, so you know that you see a ball. When you decide to kick the ball, the central nervous system gives an order to the muscles of the leg to kick the ball. This message is carried by nerves called motor nerves in the form of a nervous message. Now you can kick the ball. The functions of the nervous system can be summarized in 3 points. Receiving information or input from the surrounding or inside the body, analyzing information, and responding to information and giving orders of actions. So as a conclusion, your nervous system functions throughout receiving messages by sensory nerves, analyzing messages, and sending messages by motor nerves. If you have the book, follow with me please on page 77. If not, you may just follow using this video. In figure 5, your eye collects the image of a flower on the retina. Then, the retina sends a nervous message through the optic nerve to the brain. The cerebrum analyzes this message, so you know that you see a flower. In Figure 6, the sounds collected by the ear are transformed into nervous message carried by the auditory nerve to the brain. The cerebrum analyzes this message so you know that you hear the bell rings, for example. In Figure 7, your skin sends a nervous message through nerves to the spinal cord, then to the brain. When the cerebrum analyzes this message, you know that you touch a ball. In Figure 8, when you decide to kick the ball, your brain or cerebrum sends a message to the spinal cord, then to the nerves reaching the muscle of your leg in order to kick the ball. So that's it for today. See you in the coming lessons.